गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स. आपलं मेथड्स ऑफ प्रिपरेशन चालू आहे. हॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह इन दिस टॉपिक. द मेथड्स ऑफ प्रिपरेशन आपण पाहत होतो. मेथड्स ऑफ प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अल्किल हलाइड. मेथड्स ऑफ प्रिपरेशन ऑफ alkyl halide. In that we have seen the first method, that is from alcohol. पहिली मेथड पाहिली आपण from alcohol. In this we have seen again two methods, that is using the HX hydrogen halide. So in this we have seen that is the first method, that is using halogen acid. Using halogen acid, that is HX hydrogen halide, also called as hydrogen halide. Now in this method today we will see using halogen acid. Halogen what? Acid. In this we have seen HCl, HBr seen. Now today we will see with the third method, that is with HI. With HI means hydrogen iodide. With what? HI, hydrogen iodide. आता काय होतं पहा यामध्ये. अल्कोहोल, सेम रिएक्शन फ्रॉम अल्कोहोल्स. ओके, अल्कोहोल ऑन हीटिंग विथ दिस सोडियम or potassium iodide. So in this reaction, alcohols on heating with sodium or potassium iodide, that is Na or Ki. Sodium or potassium iodide, NaI or Ki. अल्कोहोल्स ला हिटिंग करायचं आपल्याला. आता कोणासोबत? सोडियम आयोडाइड और पोटॅशियम आयोडाइड विथ और इन फॉस्फोरिक एसिड. In phosphoric acid. The formula for phosphoric acid, that is H3PO4. H3PO4, and हे घ्यायचं आपल्याला. इट इज 95%. 95% of phosphoric acid. It gives or it forms alkyl halide. We have to prepare the alkyl halide. So we will form the alkyl halide now. See the general reaction, how this occurs. The general reaction we will see. Now in this general reaction, what we have told, that alcohols on heating. Alcohol R bond OH. Alcohol on heating with NaI or Ki. NaI or Ki, that is on treatment with HI. I am writing here HI directly because with HI. आपली रिएक्शन आहे with HI. तर हे NaI आणि Ki with phosphoric acid, these two generates HI. हे दोन NaI आणि Ki जनरेट करतात HI. Therefore it is in presence of what? NaI and what? Phosphoric acid H3PO4. Okay, तर these two NaI and H3PO4. NaI and H3PO4 generate what? They generates HI. NaI इथून I भेटतो आणि इथून H, म्हणजे यापासून आपल्याला HI भेटतो आणि आपली रिएक्शन आहे विथ कोणासोबत? HI सोबत. तर HI सोबतच्या रिएक्शन मध्ये आपण हे घेतलं अल्कोहोल ऑन ट्रीटमेंट विथ अल्काइल आयोडाइड. याच्यापासून आपण बनवणार आहोत आता. इट फॉर्म्स R bond I, and the byproduct will be water will be removed in this way. The byproduct, that is the H2. So in this way we have prepared. This is the alkyl iodide. Alkyl iodide तयार केलो आपण कशापासून? अल्कोहोल पासून. So alkyl iodide, that is alkyl halide. It is the method of preparation है कोणाची आहे? Alkyl halide. So in this way alkyl halide is prepared in this reaction with HI, that is hydrogen iodide. We have taken this hydrogen iodide. Alcohols on heating. See again, alcohols on heating with कोणासोबत हीट करायला आपण? with NaI or Ki. You can take NaI or Ki. In phosphoric acid, this is the H3PO4 phosphoric acid, H3PO4. It should be 95%. किती असला पाहिजे? 95%. So it forms from alcohol, we have formed alkyl iodide. का तयार केलं आपण? alkyl iodide. We will see one examples. If primary alcohol, first of all we will see all these three alcohol can be prepared by this method. Primary alcohol, you know that the formula C2H5OH. C2H5OH, same, ROH means alcohol. It is now ethyl alcohol. त्याला काय म्हणूया आपण? इथाइल अल्कोहोल. इथाइल अल्कोहोलला हिटिंग करायला आपण कोणा सांगत? HI म्हणजे काय? हायड्रोजन आयोडाइड. इन प्रेझेन्स ऑफ, ही रिएक्शन आहे कोणाच्या प्रेझेन्स मध्ये? NaI and H3PO4. H3PO4 किती घ्यायचा? 95%. H3PO4 should be 95%. So it forms C2H5I. What it will be formed now? C2H5I. C2H5I plus byproduct is what? H2O. It is ethyl alcohol and this is the formation of काय झाले? Ethyl iodide. The formation of ethyl iodide taken place. So in this way we have prepared alkyl halide. Preparation of कोणाचे आहे? Alkyl halide, that is alkyl iodide. These are what? Alkyl iodides using halogen acid. First example we have seen for primary alcohols. Similar examples we will see for secondary alcohols. Second example we will see for secondary alcohol. The secondary alcohol, if we take isobutyl alcohol, that is CH3HOH, it is called as isopropyl alcohol. Sorry, it is isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol on heating with, it generates HI. On heating with what? NaI and H3PO4. Isopropyl alcohol on heating with NaI in H3PO4 95% it generate HI. हे दोन काय जनरेट करतात? HI जनरेट करतात. They generate HI and it forms isopropyl CH3C as it is, CH3 as it is, CH3 as it is. Here will be I plus byproduct will be H2O. So what it forms then? It is called as isopropyl iodide. Isopropyl iodide. This is in this example for of secondary alcohols. The same reaction for primary alcohol and same reaction takes place for secondary alcohol. Third one we will see for tertiary alcohols. For tertiary alcohols, the example we will see tert butyl alcohol, CH3OH and this is CH3. काय म्हणून त्याला म्हणून tert butyl alcohol. 1 2 3 4 कार्बन आहे, that's why it is called as butyl. Tertiary butyl alcohol on treatment with HI in presence of what? NaI. On heating with NaI and H3PO4 it generates HI. It generates what? HI. So it forms isopropyl alcohol. It is tert butyl alcohol. From this tert butyl alcohol we will form tert butyl. Tert butyl काय तयार होईल आता? OH आहे H, इकडे काय येईल? I. Tert butyl iodide. The byproduct will be what? H2O will be the byproduct. It is called as tert butyl iodide. It is what? Iodide. This tert butyl iodide. So this is the third example. The first method is it is using halogen acid. We have used a halogen acid. कोणता halogen acid आहे? It is HX. HX means what? HX means I means iodine. Hydrogen iodide. It is called as hydrogen iodide. So by using this hydrogen iodide, alcohols ला आपण heat केलं. Alcohols on heating with NaI, that is sodium iodide or potassium iodide. You can take potassium iodide also here. So using halogen acid, it forms HI. हॅलोजन ऍसिड कोणता आहे? HI. हॅलोजन ऍसिड मध्ये दोन संपले आपले, HCl झाला, HBr झाला. आता कोणता चालू आहे? हा HI. तर HI सोबत म्हणजे HI म्हणजे हायड्रोजन आयोडाइड. तर हायड्रोजन आयोडाइड अल्कोहोल ऑन हिटिंग विथ NaI or KI in phosphoric acid H3PO4, it is called as what? Phosphoric acid. We have taken here phosphoric acid. It should be 95%. Phosphoric acid 95%. So general reaction ROH alcohols, it forms alkyl halide Ri. The byproducts are H2O. Ethyl alcohol forms ethyl iodide. Ethyl alcohol forms ethyl iodide. Isopropyl alcohol forms isopropyl iodide. Tert butyl alcohol forms tert butyl iodide. Tert butyl alcohol पासून काय तयार होतो? Tert butyl iodide. ऑल दीज आर रिएक्शन कंडिशन्स अल्कोहोल्स ऑन हिटिंग. या सगळ्या याच्यामध्ये काय करायचं आपल्याला, अल्कोहोल ऑन हिटिंग विथ NaI or H3PO4, NaI in H3PO4, that is called as phosphoric acid. So in this way the first method of preparation using halogen acid is finished. The next one we will see, that is by using phosphorus halides. Okay.